What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm inside of the headquarters right now, finishing up the staircase design. This is a two-step design. It comes with or without the handrail. Kind of give you an idea of it. It's pretty sturdy. All of them have a support bar under the wood planks, and then it also have a support bar at the rear. So these are completely welded out. Also, I have the ones that you can disassemble, which actually you put together. So it all depends on what the client wants. If they want them to break down, it's like an extra $50. If they want it to be stationary, it's one specific price. So normally if I have to make it where it breaks down, it just costs an extra $50 to break it down. That way you can always break it down when you're traveling. Hold on.